The spinning gear animation effect we're now going to create together in this second phase of the tutorial is the one that is located on the right hand side of your screen. Hi, and welcome to the second part of the spinning gear animation effect tutorial in PowerPoint on Mac. Step 1. Let's create together the basic star. To create the basic star, select the rectangle shape from the rectangle shape categories and draw a long rectangle bar like this. You can give your rectangle whatever measurements you like to obtain, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to let the height be 5.16 centimeter and the width 0.37 centimeter. That looks approximately like this. Next, we need to duplicate this rectangle shape 5 times. By pressing Command D on Mac repeatedly, in other words 5 times, Command D, Command D, Command D 5 times, this will give us altogether 6 different shapes. Well, now we can click on one of the objects and try to rotate the object chronologically. We go to the rotate object section and click more rotation objects, and this will bring us the rotation panel where we can have access to change it. Alternatively, we can go to the home page and to bring the arrange menu, where we could also go there and search for rotation and then more rotation. Yeah, and here we can now change it to 30 degree, the first shape like this, and then we can click on the second shape and change the rotation to 60 degree. Type 60 and click on the third one and we type 90 like this, and the fourth one we type 120. This will give us 120 degree, and the fifth and final one we have to type 150 degree. Now that we're done, we can select the entire shape like this. So highlight everything and then go to the arrange menu again and then search for the align function. Then we have to align all the shapes to center, and then once again go back to the arrange menu and search for the align function and align middle, just like this. You can see we have this perfect circle. Yeah, so now next we need to create the next shape, the oval shape, and just select the oval shape. Make sure you press the shift button to have a perfect circle like this, and you have to try to arrange it by holding the shift button to get the actual size that we're looking for, and we try to place it right in the middle. See the grid lines, these grid lines are the guiding lines, so this actually tells us that the shape is now placed in the middle. Now let's select everything. By just doing like this, it is all selected. Now we go to shape format. Yeah, press on it. This will bring us the emerge shape menu, and this time around we select union instead of intercept. And now we have to go to the shape function again and search the oval shape for our large shape, and then just press shift button and drag it down to create a perfect shape. In case you still struggle to get the perfect shape, there's another way we can do it. Alternatively, we can go here at the top and change the height to 3.43 centimeter and the width to 3.43 centimeter, and this will give us a perfect shape. Yeah, now we drag our shape here and place it in the middle, just like this. And now that we're done, release it and try to select both shapes together. To do so, there are two ways. Either we press the shift button and press on the shapes individually to select both of them, or we can just drag and highlight the shape like this. Now we can go to the menu section above and search for the so-called shape format. Press on it and this will bring the merge shape section where we can go underneath and subtract. And now we have to change the color by going to the shape fill and then make sure we change it to the light black, just like we did in the previous tutorial, and then we can go here and say no line. It's time for us to add our animation. So let's go and search for animation here, press, and then let's select the spin animation effect and apply it to our gear like this automatically. Just click on it. Alright, now that we're done with the effect, let's just click and go above here and make sure we set it to with previous. Make sure it's set to with previous like this, and now click on the number one again, this effect panel. This will bring us the effects option panel, and we go underneath the time insertion where it says repeat, and make sure we set it to until the end of slides. Yeah, this is crucially important because it allows the gear to spin continuously. So in summary, let's make sure it is set to until the end of slides. This brings us to the last part of our creative process. Let's click on the picture here by pressing the option key, hold and drag it and place it here exactly in the middle and release the button. Yeah, and this is how we want it. So now we're done. Let's just preview it and see the result. This is wonderful. This is exactly what we wanted to achieve. So once again, I want to thank you all for being part of this tutorial, and don't forget to hit the notification bell below and subscribe to my channel. In this way, you will be the first to be notified once new video is uploaded. Thanks very much, and I wish you a very blessed Saturday. Have a nice day. Bye.